Welcome to Charlotte Christian. We are so glad that you're able to spend a few moments with us today at our open house. We are blessed and grateful for the amazing community that Charlotte Christian is. Charlotte Christian has been a part of my family for the last 15 years. My wife and I are blessed with 7 beautiful children, and all 7 have graduated from Charlotte Christian. Our youngest just graduated last May, and we were so grateful to have her come back just the last weekend to spend some time with us during her fall break. It was so fun to see her return to campus and enjoy the relationships that she built during her time on this campus. Even 2 of my daughters-in-law graduated from Charlotte Christian. So as you can see, this has been a family affair for us. And we're just grateful that you will get a chance to feel that family atmosphere while you're with us for a few moments this morning. I also am so blessed to have 7 grandchildren. Here's a picture of a couple of them as they spent some time with Lisa and I most recently. And as we think about the next generation, that's what Charlotte Christian is all about. We want to train and develop our students so that they are prepared for what God has in store for them. So I'd love to take a moment and share a little bit about our mission statement with you. This statement is the anchor of everything that we do at Charlotte Christian. Our trustees, our administration, our teachers, all the way to our students know our mission statement because it is who we are and what we strive to do each and every day on this campus. As you can see, first and foremost, we're a Christ-centered school. And what that means for us is that our biblical worldview is going to permeate everything that we do on this campus, whether it's in the classroom, on the athletic field, or on the stage for a fine arts performance. The world is telling our kids that there is no absolute truth. Well, at Charlotte Christian, we reject that notion. We believe that there is absolute truth and it's found in God's Word. And that's what makes us a Christ-centered school, is that we're going to go back to God's Word, to the Scriptures, to see what He tells us is true about His creation, about His people, and about each of us. We're a college preparatory school, and what that means for us is that we're going to give each student a challenging curriculum that is appropriate to where they are developmentally. Our teachers work diligently to prepare together and plan together so that each grade level is a seamless transition for our students as they progress through our school. Our desire is to help our students integrate biblical truth into everything that they do. And so again, we'll turn back to the Scriptures as we study math, as we study history, as we study science, so that they can apply that worldview as they study these various disciplines. But what makes any school great is its teachers. Charlotte Christian is blessed with wonderful facilities, amazing technology, a fantastic curriculum, but the most important thing is our teachers. We know that our students will be on our campus 6, 7, 8 hours a day. And so as a parent, what's most important is who stands in front of your students during those hours, who stands beside them, who's praying with them. And what I can tell you as a parent who's been a part of this community for 15 years and now is head of school as well, that those individuals, those teachers, those coaches that we're going to put in front of your students do share your values. They love your children. They're passionate about what they teach, and they want to be committed to partnering with you as a family so that we can help your student grow physically, socially, academically, and most important, spiritually. And then finally, the last part of our mission statement is to send out our students to impact the culture for Christ. Our desire is that they will one day walk across the stage, receive their Charlotte Christian diploma, and then go where God is calling them so that they can impact the culture for Christ, to take what they've learned and apply it to whatever profession God's calling them to, but also apply it into their relationships in their home, in their church, and in their community. Charlotte Christian is indeed a special place. And we're so grateful for the opportunity to share about it with you. And every year at an open house, one of the questions I get was, well, where do your graduates go to college? And so as you can see on the screen, this is last year's graduating class. We have students going to many great institutions all around this country. What I tell parents, what is most important at the college drop-off, and I've done 7 of them, is not where you drop them off, but who you are dropping off at that college. My wife and I have been blessed for our children to go to several different colleges, but what we were grateful for is when we drove away, we knew that they were ready. They were ready academically, they were ready socially, they were ready physically, and they were ready spiritually for whatever God had in store for them. That's what encompasses what we do at Charlotte Christian. I'm so grateful to be a part of this community. I'm blessed to be able to lead with an amazing team that you'll get to meet during your morning with us. And again, I want you to know that we are praying for you during this decision.